Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to write a definition in the introduction part of an essay. So first, let's review what should be included in the introduction part of an essay. There are three components. First, definition. Second, roadmap. Last, thesis statement. I explained what does each of them mean before in the third episode, how to structure your 2000-word John Locke essay. So if you're interested, make sure to check that one out. Alright, definition of an introduction aims to clarify the meaning of a keyword in your title. So the first thing you need to do is to determine whether or not there are keywords in your title that requires explanation. Not all essays requires definition. For example, for the third question in economics this year, what would happen if we banned billionaires? I don't think such a question requires any definition because all of the words in this question are clear and unlikely to cause confusion to the readers if you don't define them. But still, let's look at some examples that require definition. The first example is selected from a 2020 Grand Prize winner essay, Is Intuition to Philosophy as Observation is to Science, written by Ethan Christian Tan. In this question, obviously there are four keywords: intuition, philosophy, observation, and science. And let's look at how Ethan defines them. Science and philosophy share the fundamental goal of knowledge production. The former explains and predicts the material universe, and the latter seeks to answer questions within the fields of logic, epistemology, metaphysics, and axiology. I think the way Ethan defines the keywords in this question is pretty smart, since the question itself requires students to do comparative analysis. So instead of giving definitions separately for each word, Ethan combines the definition of science and philosophy and first point out the common characteristics of these two subjects and then give explanation for the two subjects individually. And I think there are several tricks we can learn from this example. First, when you give definition, you should try to find them in academic essays. As you can see, Ethan used two citations here, and if you check the citations, you will see both of them are cited from academic papers instead of dictionary. Besides, you also need to examine the relevance between those definitions you find from academic papers and the topic you chose, because sometimes a definition might look pretty professional, but it's not really helping you to write your essay, nor helping the readers to understand your essay. Then such a definition is just not great. Alright, this is a very brief introduction for how to write a definition. And if you want more analysis of past winners or tips or phrases about how to write a definition, please check my website, and the link is here below the description. And in the upcoming weeks, I will also post my question analysis for each of the questions this year on my website. Therefore, I highly recommend you to join the membership of my website and to have unlimited access to all useful material for the John Locke Essay Competition. Thank you for watching.